Killed. What a trade. Made us sweat a bit, but mega profits taken. About to close now. J Money. Tuesday. Guys, so we just killed Wednesday 4:30. NASDAQ signals group. Smiling. I am smiling. I took over 800 pips in profit. We're 800 pips in profit right now. I'm about to close. Just to show you all what happened. Look at this, guys. Look at this. What a powerful trade. What a powerful day. Sure. I'm honestly like lost for words right now. It's a mega day for me. All glory to God. All glory to God. J Money. Killed. It's crazy. It's crazy.